Let's solve this problem step by step. We are asked to find how many prime numbers are less than 50. We are given 5 answer choices. We will use a methodical approach to figure out which one is correct. To do this efficiently, let's use a classical technique from ancient Greek mathematics called the Sieve of Eratosthenes. This method helps us to find all the prime numbers up to any given number, in this case up to 50. We will begin by writing down all the numbers from 2 to 50 in a grid. Remember, 1 is not a prime number, so we start from 2, the smallest prime. Now the algorithm begins. We start with 2, the first unmarked number. Since it's unmarked, it's a prime number. We highlight it. Then we cross out all the multiples of 2, meaning every second number, because any number that's a multiple of 2 is not a prime. They are divisible by 2 and hence have more than 2 factors. Once we have done that, we move to the next unmarked number, which is 3. Again, since it's unmarked, it's a prime number. We highlight it. We cross out all the multiples of 3, meaning every third number. These numbers are also not prime, because they can be divided evenly by 3. It's okay if number is already crossed out. Next, we find the next unmarked number, which is 5. We highlight 5 as a prime and cross out all of its multiples. Then we do the same with 7. We highlight it and cross out all the numbers divisible by 7. As we go further, we find that next unmarked number is 11. But since 11 squared is already greater than 50, we can stop marking multiples here. All remaining unmarked numbers are prime. Now let's highlight all of these prime numbers so they can stand out clearly. They are the numbers that were never crossed out. To make it easier to count, let's move all these primes to the bottom of the screen and arrange them neatly. These are all the prime numbers less than 50. Let's count them. There are 15 of them, so the correct answer is B, 15. Let's highlight it. This is a great example of how ancient algorithm can still be very useful for solving modern math problems. Always remember, when you need to find all the primes up to the n number, the sieve of Eratosthenes is one of the most efficient and visual ways to do it. Enjoy the video? Don't forget to like and hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a visual explanation again.